Today, we are going to learn the consonant sound P. The P is a stop plosive, which is made by briefly blocking the airstream leaving the mouth, building up air pressure, and then quickly releasing it with a little explosion. Let's talk about how to produce the P sound in detail. To make a correct P sound, your lips are closed and pressed together. The jaw is in a closed position to assist with lip closure. The tongue is in a neutral position. Allow air pressure to build up behind the closed lips. Then, the lips are separated quickly, and the air escapes in a quick burst, just like this. P. Now, let's talk about how the P sound is written in English. P, pet, top. PP, apple. PH, shepherd. Let's practice the P sound in words.